Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our southbound journey on Interstate 95, beginning at mile marker 19 in Ridgeland, the seat of Jasper County, South Carolina. With a population of 3,758 as of the 2020 census, Ridgeland is often called the high point of the Lowcountry for its slightly elevated terrain. As we leave Ridgeland behind, we'll continue through the flat, forested Lowcountry landscape characteristic of this part of the state. Here we drive along the outskirts of Hardeeville, the largest municipality in Jasper County with a population of 7,473. Hardeeville has grown rapidly in recent years, with the population nearly doubling since the last census as of a 2025 estimate. It serves as a bedroom community for the greater Savannah area and offers easy access to both the coast and inland South Carolina. Much of the city lies just east of I-95 along the US 17 corridor. Approaching Exit 8, we see a sign pointing out two nearby national wildlife refuges, Pinckney Island and Savannah. Pinckney Island is located between Hilton Head Island and the mainland, while the Savannah National Wildlife Refuge, a vast expanse of protected marshland and tidal creeks, lies closer to the Georgia border. Both refuges offer opportunities for wildlife viewing, photography, and short nature walks. Exit 8 provides access to US Highway 278, which heads east towards Bluffton and Hilton Head Island, a major resort destination along the South Carolina coast. US 278 also continues westward towards Ridgeland and beyond, serving as a key route for both commuters and vacationers. At exit 5, we intersect with US Highway 17, which runs parallel to I-95 for much of the southeastern seaboard. This exit also connects to the southern terminus of US Highway 321, located just under a mile from the interstate. US 321 stretches all the way north through South Carolina and into Tennessee, and we previously encountered this highway during our US Route 11 series. This junction links coastal and inland routes, serving both regional traffic and long-distance travelers. We crossed the Savannah River, officially leaving South Carolina behind and entering Chatham County, Georgia. The Peach State is the 8th most populous in the U.S., with over 10.7 million residents as of the 2020 census. Chatham County, home to nearly 296,000 people, includes the historic city of Savannah and much of the surrounding area. Our first city in Georgia is Port Wentworth, part of the Savannah metro area and an important industrial and transportation hub. With a population of 10,878 in 2020, Port Wentworth is one of several growing communities along the I-95 corridor, benefiting from its proximity to the Port of Savannah and major regional employers. We wrap up this leg of our journey at mile marker 106, having crossed the state line and traveled through scenic and culturally significant areas of the South Carolina and Georgia Lowcountry. Thanks for riding along with us on this leg of the trip. Special thanks to our channel members listed at the end of each video. You too can become a channel member and help support our endeavors. It costs as little as $1 a month, and it'll give you early access to our regular series videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and join us for our next 504 road trip.